Anacondas are formidable predators, king of the food chain in their native South American ecosystems. While there are 4 species of anacondas in the genus Eunectes, the one most studied is the green anaconda, sometimes called the common or giant anaconda. These snakes are the largest in the world based on weight, although they're not the longest. Adult females can reach lengths of up to 30 feet, although around 20 feet is more common. Males are much smaller than their female counterparts. Other anaconda species include the smaller yellow anaconda, which grows on average 12 to 15 feet, Beni anaconda, which is strikingly similar to the green anaconda, and Deschauens's anaconda, which is the smallest anaconda. Anacondas, like other constrictors, subdue their prey by coiling around their bodies. The prey's death results from suffocation, loss of circulation, or a broken spine or neck. The snakes have jaws lined with many sharp teeth that are angled towards the throat to hook prey and keep it from escaping. Anacondas are the top predators of their native land, although immature anacondas and some adults may become prey to other predators. Green anaconda's diet includes adult deer, capybaras, and caimans, all large animals in their own right. Jaguars have also been on the food menu for adult anacondas. In short, no creature that inhabits the same region and habitat of the green anaconda is safe from attack. Other anaconda species prey on birds, rodents, medium-sized mammals, and other creatures, and could potentially pose threats to domesticated animals when given the opportunity. While these large snakes live in areas that aren't frequented by man or livestock, many species of livestock indeed could be potential meals for adult anacondas of any species. Although rare, the Beni anaconda has been known to feed on dogs, cats, and chickens. Attacks on man by anacondas are few and far between, outside Hollywood, but not completely unheard of. Biologist Jesus Rivas has been studying the green anaconda and other large reptiles native to the Venezuelan Ilanos. His report, Predatory Attacks of Green Anacondas on Adult Human Beings, documents 2 predatory attacks on humans. His report states that anacondas are not man-eaters by nature, but are generalists who will go after any prey they can subdue and swallow. Many humans are well within the prey-to-predator ratio. The native habitats of anacondas and people don't readily overlap, making human attacks a low possibility. Although anacondas are vital to their native ecosystems, their presence in other areas is causing problems. The Florida Everglades have become overrun with invasive snakes, including boa, python, and 2 anaconda species, the yellow and green anacondas. The yellow anaconda is listed as a high-risk species by the IUCN, while the green anaconda is listed as medium risk. The snakes put native mammals, birds, and reptiles at risk through predation. The most dangerous opponent of the anaconda is the human population. As the Amazon River basin and other rainforest and wetland areas are lost to new development and construction, the habitat for the anaconda disappears, forcing it to flee to find a new habitat or perish. Due to their size, anacondas are also hunted and poached for their valuable skin, which is used to make purses, boots, belts, and other leather-bound objects. Locals and natives also fear the anaconda and regularly kill the snake to protect livestock or out of fear, although reports of anacondas attacking humans are rare. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can also leave a comment with what you would like to see in the following videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.